The Stena Germanica. One of the largest and most interesting passenger ferries in Stena's fleet today. The ship has a remarkable history and is now Stena's test vessel for innovative fuels. The current Stena Germanica was built in 2001 as the last of the 4 ships of the Stena Seapacer class. The ship was built at the Spanish shipyard Astilleros Españoles in Puerto Real, Spain. It was christened Stena Germanica and was deployed on the Stena route between Hoek van Holland and Harwich from 2001. A model of the Stena Seapacer in the terminal in Gothenburg shows the ship in its former state, which, as you can see, has little to do with the Stena Germanica of today. In 2007, the Stena Germanica was extended at the Lloyd shipyard in Bremerhaven in one of the largest conversions ever carried out on a ferry. A 51.75 m long prefabricated center hull was inserted into the cut-up vessel. At the same time, all rooms and cabins were extensively renovated. The conversion was completed in 54 days and won the 2008 Shippax Award. The passenger capacity was increased from 440 to 1,200, and the number of meters available for rolling cargo on the hanging deck from 2,900 to 3,900. The original 188 meters long ship is now 240.1 meters long, 28.70 meters wide, and has a maximum draft of 6.15 meters. The dimensions have increased from 29,841 gross tons before the conversion to 51,837 gross tons today. The vessel has been operating on the Kiel-Gothenburg route since 2010. The 236 nautical miles or 441 kilometers are covered in about 15 hours overnight, with departure in the early evening and arrival the next morning. Passengers arriving without a vehicle board the ship on deck 8, starboard side, directly at the information desk. The continuous social deck is located one deck below on deck 7. The sea view bar is located aft and features live music at weekends and in the evenings during the high season. The large buffet restaurant Taste is centrally located in the aft area of deck 7. Opposite the entrance to Taste is a children's playroom. Further forward, a corridor leads to the ship's shop. The onboard shop is very well stocked with the usual ferry items as well as a range of high-quality perfumes and alcoholic beverages. Continuing forward from the onboard shop is the Riva Bar, a popular feature on Stena ships, with a counter designed to resemble a classic Riva motorboat. The interior design is by the well-known Swedish architects Figura Arkitekter. Figura is responsible for the interior design of many of Stena's ships. At the front of deck 7 on the port side is the a la carte restaurant Metropolitan, which offers high-quality menus based on traditional Swedish cuisine. On the starboard side of deck 7 is the Metropolitan Bistro, which serves small snacks. This is also the location of the Truckers' Lounge, which is reserved for truck drivers. The Stena Germanica does not have a central staircase, but rather 6 stair towers arranged along the sides, which unfortunately do not make orientation on board any easier. The 1,200 passengers are accommodated in 495 cabins on decks 8 to 11. The Swedish crew consists of 145 persons. On deck 11 is the exclusive yacht club, which offers cruise standard cabins. A special feature of the yacht club are the terrace cabins. Decks 1 to 7 are the vehicle decks, providing a total of 3,900 lane meters for rolling cargo. At the aft end of Deck 7 is the open weather deck for trucks and trailers carrying hazardous cargo. Like many Stena vessels, the Stena Germanica has very nice and large open deck areas for passengers, which are particularly popular on summer crossings. Stena Germanica is powered by four main engines of 5,760 kilowatts each, giving a total power of 23,160 kilowatts. This gives her a speed of 21.5 knots. The four main engines of the Stena Germanica were converted to a combined operation with methanol and conventional marine gas oil at the beginning of 2015. Methanol, a non-drinkable alcohol produced with renewable energy, is considered to be the most likely marine fuel for the decarbonized shipping of the future. With this fuel on board the Stena Germanica, Stena is gaining important experience for the future of its fleet. Methanol will be used on the Stena Germanica in phases as a main and auxiliary fuel. Who of you has traveled on the Stena Germanica between Kiel and Gothenburg? What were your experiences? What can you expect from a sea voyage on the ship? Do you recommend this ship? Please let us know in the comment section. And don't forget, we really appreciate likes and subscriptions.